Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online support program. I'm Razia Ali, your computer science teacher. It's my third video lecture related to the chapter number 6, computer security and ethics. Let's recap the previous lectures. We have discussed in the previous lecture computer security, importance of computer security, malware, types of malware, cybercrime, hackers and crackers. Now we will start with a new topic in this video lecture. So today's lecture's topics are computer viruses. It is actually related to the computer viruses. The first topic is how malware spreads. Second topic is common symptoms of malware attacks. Third topic is protecting computer from malware. For example, if you install antivirus softwares, anti-spyware, so you can protect your computer from viruses. Let's start with the first topic. So the first topic is how malware spreads. As you know, malware means malicious software. So some computer experts create malware such as virus, spyware, worm, and so on, and spread through internet. It is very important to understand how malware spreads and how to protect computer from them. So the first thing through which virus can be spread, that is infected flash drives. What is in flash drives, USB and so on, through the device through which we can carry data from one computer and to another computer, that is known as flash drive. If the flash drive is infected, if the flash drive has virus, so your computer can be infected. So try to scan while connecting the flash drives to your computer. Try to scan your flash drive. First scan and then copy the data of flash drive in your computer. Otherwise your computer will be infected. As same the case with the CDs. If you want to install the data of CD in your computer, so you have to scan the CD for protecting your computer from virus, because CDs or flash drives can be infected, which is dangerous for your computer, and your data can be deleted. So the second thing through which your computer can be infected, that's pirated software. What is pirated software? If you one is original CD. If a programmer makes a software, so the original CD is with the programmer. If you make the copy of that CD without permission of the programmer, or without permission of programmer, that copy of that CD is known as pirated. Making copy of any software illegally, that's known as pirated software. And in market it is available, all the CDs in market actually is available in a form of pirated, because it's the original CDs of the softwares are very expensive. But pirated CD can be available in 35 rupees. So pirated CDs actually has the malicious software, malware. It can be your computer can be infected by those pirated softwares. So the third thing through which virus can be spread, that is network and internet. So network, if you connect to your computer to another computer through wires, through wireless, or internet to internet, if you exchange information from one computer to another computer through internet, to network, so that data can be infected. So if you copy the data from which is coming from another network or a computer, so that can be infected, and that can infect your computer. So while exchanging information from one computer to another computer, so you have to be careful because that can be infected and that can infect your computer. So the fourth point, through email attachments, your computer can be infected. If you open any email which is not reliable, which is not from a good source, so that email can infect your computer. Opening email attachments from a stranger or from an unknown address can infect computer with malware. Even downloading and opening email from a friend or family member can be dangerous. They may pass the user or a virus or other malware without knowing about it. So these are the things to which your computer can be infected. Malware can spread in your computer. So USB drive, this is known as USB drives. From email, from internet, your virus can spread in your computer. So hope you understand. The second topic is common symptoms of malware attacks. So how you will come to know that your computer is affected. The common symptoms through which you will know that is slow computer web browser speeds. Your computer will work slow, and your internet will not open in a proper way, in a good way, any site. So you will come to know that your computer is infected because your computer working is very slow. So problem connecting to network, your internet will not connect, you cannot connect easily from one computer to another computer. So that problem shows that your computer is infected. Freezing and crashing, your computer hangs out, and your data will crash. So it's the main thing through which you will come to know that your computer is infected by the malware. Your data, the fourth point, modified or deleted files. Your computer data is modified automatically, and your files are deleted day by day. So these are the things to which you will come to know that your computer is infected. The fifth point is appearance of strange files, programs, or desktop icons. Your desktop icon will change daily. Through that you will come to know that your computer is infected. The computer does not start or it reboot automatically when it is on. Different types of error messages appears on your screen. Unexpected messages appear on the screen. Programs do not run in a normal way. Computer is running very slow. All these things are the symptoms through which you will come to know that your computer is infected. So do something that your data should be saved. Okay, another computer strange noise is heard when the computer is on. So these symptoms will show you that your computer is infected. So do something that your computer should be safe. Another topic is protecting computer from malware. How you can protect your computer from malware? So these are some points you have to know. Keep these points in your mind, then your computer can be protected from the malware, malicious softwares. The first point is only use trusted antivirus softwares or malware softwares. So if you know the malware is trustable, so only from trusted site you can download the malware or antivirus. The second point is configure regular scan and monitor setting. If you scan your computer regularly on the daily basis or once in a week, so your computer will be safe, because once in a week your antivirus software will scan your computer and viruses will be deleted, so your computer you can save your computer from damage. So always update your operating system. Updating your operating system means you have to update your operating system by original CDs, not pirated CDs. Then your computer can be saved. Employ a browser common sense, means to browse any reliable sources. Don't browse anything. from the internet. Keep a tight grip on your personal information. You have to save your data by using passwords and username. So make the drives locked. So by username and password, then your data can be safe and sound. Stay up to date on the latest attacks. So stay up to date. Latest attack means to antivirus. You should update your antivirus so you can protect your computer from the malicious software. So we have to install following software to safeguard computer against viruses, worms, and adware and spyware and so on. So the first software which we can install against the malware, that's antivirus softwares. What is antivirus softwares? Antivirus software is a computer program that detects and removes viruses and other types of malicious softwares. And computer users should install it on computer and update it regularly. Most antivirus programs have automatic update features. This feature automatically updates the antivirus programs through internet so that it can detect and remove new version of viruses as well. So we have to install antivirus software in our computer to protect our computer from viruses. Whenever a user connects a flash drive or any other type of storage devices to computer, he must run it through antivirus software to ensure that it does not contain viruses. Some commonly used viruses are Kaspersky antivirus. You can install this in your computer. Avast free antivirus, you can install this. AVG antivirus. All these softwares can work very good against the malware, malicious software, against the viruses. So another software which is used for malware, malicious software is anti-spyware. What is actually anti-spyware? We have discussed in a previous lecture that what is spyware. Spyware is a type of malware that aims to gather information about a person or organization without their knowledge and send such information to attack another entity without the consumer's consent. It will spy. It will the username, password of the other computer. So against of the spyware, programmer make anti-spyware to remove the spyware softwares. So anti-spyware software is a computer program that detects spyware infection and on computer and removes them. It helps to protect computer against security threats caused by spyware and other types of malware. So you have to install anti-spyware to protect the computer from the malicious software spyware. Computer users should install it in his computer, and regularly it has to be updated to make sure that your computer is protected. A user can also start antivirus spyware program to scan computer. So some commonly used spyware softwares are super anti-spyware and Gridin software, antivirus, anti-malware, spyboot, Arkill, spyware, blasters, spy hunters. These are the anti-spyware softwares which can be available in market in CDs, or you can download from the internet, but try to download from a reliable source. So I hope you understand the topics. Today's assignment is the first question is explain how malware spreads. You have to explain it. Write down an answer in your copy, neat copies notebook. So describe. The second question is describe 5 symptoms of malware attacks. Third question is explain how to protect computer system from malware attacks. You have to do all these questions in your copies. Hope you will do it. Thank you.